In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the step-by-step process how to make this delicious Haitian recipe. Welcome to Haitian Food with another homemade recipe. Hello guys, how you doing? So this is all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make this delicious recipe. I'm gonna be making some Haitian pigeon peas with pumpkin, white rice, and legumes. So I'm gonna start first by cleaning up the meat as usual with vinegar and limes. So once I clean it up, guys, make sure you clean up your meat very well. It's very important, guys. What it does is that it makes the meat taste better and smell better. So after washing it with cold water, I'm gonna put it in hot water for a few seconds and then take it off. So now I'm washing the pigeon peas to boil it to make. So that's how I'm gonna start making, preparing the peas to make the puree. So now I'm taking the meat out of the boiled water. Once I'm done, I put it back to the pan and I added some lemon, just a little bit, not a lot, and some Haitian peas. You cannot make your legume without Haitian peas, guys. As you can see, I have two kind of turkey here. I have the salted turkey and then the fresh one. I like to mix it. It gives the legume a perfect taste, guys. So now I'm putting all the seasoning. I added some hot pepper. I cut it in the middle so the meat can have some hot flavor. It's so good when I do it like that. It's perfect, guys. So I add some Maggi, and now the piece is cooked. I'm gonna start by blending it up with the pumpkin, little by little, and once I'm done, I add all the seasoning needed to make the puree, the sauce. So blend it up, guys. And this food, guys, it's one of the most delicious Haitian food. If you never try this recipe, guys, you need to make this recipe. You need to try it. And in this video, you're gonna see all the ingredients you're gonna need to add in this recipe. Now I'm adding some hot pepper with cloves on it. You see how I put the cloves inside of the hot pepper. It's so good when you do it like that. And you add some fresh persil and thyme, some season. I don't like to add Maggi. And the puree, I just like to add some Goya season, and you can add any season that you like. So, and then some salt. And now the meat is cooked. I'm adding up the legume. That's how I like to make my legume, like with the same gravy that come out of the meat. I put the legume on it and then let it cook. So I'm gonna let the legume cook for about like 30 to 45 minutes. So the beans is boiling, and after that I took some peas out. Now I added up once the puree it's a little bit more I would say more thick. So now I add a little bit of sugar too in the sauce, a tablespoon. So now I'm preparing the legume. The legume is already cooked. So I'm adding some shrimp to it. Makes it so good, guys, full of flavor. So I fry the shrimp with a punch of salt. After that, I take it off, and then I fry the tomato paste with some tomatoes. I add the gravy from the legume from the meat and the legume on it. Add some season, some hot pepper, and some butter, and now mix it up. So now I'm adding the legume. If you make your legume like that, guys, I'm telling you, guys, you would love it. That's the perfect way to make legume. Just add a little bit of salt. Do not add the exact amount of salt that you need to, because once it dry, all the sodium will come out, guys. So when I tell you I enjoy this recipe, oh wow, this recipe was so delicious, guys. You need to try this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Look at the puree, guys. It was so delicious, guys. When I tell you I enjoy this recipe, guys, See you next time. Bon appetit.